Oh, didn't see you there. Let me help you. So I just received an important package today. It contains a very important object. And you guessed it right. It's a model of a plant cell. And they asked me to review it. So we're gonna review it with the help of George.
Shadows fall over my heart. I black out the moon. I wait for you to come around. You got me dancing in the dark. I close my eyes, but I won't sleep tonight. Baby, you should come with me. I'll take you to the dark side. Me and you and me, do bad things in the nighttime. Baby, you should come with me, and we can kill the lights, hit the lights, let it black out, hit the lights, let it black out. Blackbird, black moon, black sky, black light, black everything black. Black heart, black keys, black diamonds, blackout, black everything black. Black, everything, everything all black. Everything, everything all black. Everything, everything all black. Everything, everything black.
Hello, everyone, I'm George. Now we will tackle plant cells. This is a 3D model of a plant cell. Plant cells are membrane-bound organelle. It is surrounded by a cell wall. The cell wall can only be seen in plant cells. The function of the cell wall is to support, protect, and allow diffusion of gases in and out of the cell. Next is the cell membrane. It also supports and protects. It controls the movement of materials in and out of the cell. Next is the cytoplasm. It is a fluid substance that fills the cell. It maintains an osmotic concentration of the cell and prevents them from bursting or shrinking. Next is the endoplasmic reticulum. It helps to carry materials through the cell and aids in protein synthesis. There are two types of the endoplasmic reticulum, the rough ER, and the smooth ER. The rough ER is covered with ribosomes, that is why it looks rough. It is responsible for making a protein that the cell needs. The smooth ER on the other hand transports the materials through the cell and produces and digests lipids and membrane proteins. Next is the mitochondria. It is known as the powerhouse of the cell. It is the site of aerobic cellular respiration and breaks down sugar molecule to release energy. Next is the nucleus. It is a membrane-bound organelle, has a spherical shape. Most of the activities of the cell are directed by the nucleus. It also contains hereditary material of the cell and also helps with protein synthesis. Next is the nucleolus. It is darkly stained in the nucleus. It aids protein formation and ribonucleic acid synthesis. Next is the nuclear membrane. It separates the contents of the nucleus from the rest. Next is the nucleoplasm. It contains the genetic material and the nucleolus. Next is the ribosomes. It is the smallest and the most abundant. They synthesize proteins that are required for the survival of the cell. Next is the chloroplast. They are flattened structures and look like a stack of coins. Found in plant cells and absent in the animal cell. Next is the Golgi apparatus. The Golgi complex looks like the ER. It modifies proteins made by the cell and pack and exports the protein to the cell parts. The last is the vacuole. The main function of the vacuole is storage. That wraps up everything. I think John slept at the beginning of the explanation. So thank you, everyone, for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Peace, ha 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 ha.